National Weather for southwestern Kennebec County in south central Maine, northwestern Sagadahoc County in south central Maine, Androscoggin County in southwestern Maine, Cumberland County in southwestern Maine, northeastern York County in southwestern Maine, until 2 p.m. At 8:27 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rainfall. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Portland, Lewiston, South Portland, Auburn, Biddeford, Brunswick, Augusta, Westbrook, Bath and Gardiner. This includes the I-95 and I-295 corridors between Portland and Augusta. This is NOAA.
What the hell?
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:58 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sutton, Oregon, 11 miles south of Worcester, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Worcester, Shrewsbury, Westboro, Grafton, Auburn, Northbridge, Oxford, Newbury, Sutton, and Upton around 9:05 a.m. Hopkinton around 9:10 a.m. Milford around 9:15 a.m. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Middlesex and Worcester.
Good fucking morning.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station
Jesus.
WMG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Packmonadnock and Peterborough, New Hampshire. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WMG 575 listening area, a flood watch has been issued until midnight Wednesday for the following areas in Massachusetts: northern Worcester, northwest Middlesex County, and western Essex. A flood watch remains in effect until midnight Wednesday, and now includes the following areas in New Hampshire: coastal Rockingham, eastern Hillsborough, interior Rockingham.
Alrighty. That just happened.
Flooding caused by repetitive rounds of heavy rainfall
Is 1050 hertz.
where portions of central, eastern, and northeastern Massachusetts, including the following counties in central Massachusetts: Worcester. In eastern Massachusetts, Middlesex and Norfolk. In northeastern Massachusetts, Essex. When? Until 3:15 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details: at 9:14 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to heavy showers and embedded thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 0.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. While rainfall rates have been as much as 1 inch per hour, several rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Worcester, Lowell, New UN, Lawrence, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Medford, Methuen, Arlington, Billerica, Marlborough, Woburn, Flood. At 9:10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Sutton, Oregon, 8 miles south of Shrewsbury, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
That was a 1050 hertz flood warning because this thing turned on by itself. Just have a look at this. I don't think I've ever had it where with like the first 10 alerts, a tornado warning has been there. This is the second alert on this radio. It's a tornado warning. It's kind of wild.
Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, East Providence, Coventry, Dartmouth, South Kingstown, West Warwick, North Kingstown, Newport, Bristol, Somerset, Portsmouth, Barrington, Middletown, Fairhaven, Narragansett, and Swansea. Here is...
And we're going to see if we can catch this new SMW. I'm going to count that as a no.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, southern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, Newport County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bristol to near Newport to Block Island, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Bedford, Fall River, Warwick, Dartmouth, South Kingstown, North Kingstown, Newport, Bristol, Marion, Middleborough, Somerset, Portsmouth, Barrington, Middletown, Fairhaven, Narragansett, Swansea, Tiverton, Westport, and Warren. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Massachusetts and Ipswich Bays, as well as the issued and 73. Lawrence, heavy rain and 71. Beverly, a thunderstorm and 66. Boston was cloudy and 75. Bedford, heavy rain and fog and 73.
Excuse me?
In New England, Portland, rain was falling.
Really?
The temperature was 68 degrees. Burlington, heavy rain and fog were reported in 70. Hartford, Connecticut, partly sunny, 76.
Why are we not relaying?
Providence, Rhode Island, light rain, 73. In Albany, New York, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 75, and in New York City, it was cloudy and 75 degrees.
Hello?
And now here is
Gray.
this weather summary for New Hampshire and western Maine. Impacted include showers and embedded thunderstorms. Area of low pressure. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Heavy rain is likely and may lead to localized flash flooding. High pressure moves in.
Alright, tune back to when Gray relays this. Because this is bullshit. We're about 5 minutes late. At least they did it. I'll take it.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:20 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wayland to Medfield to Rentham, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Lynn, New UN, Somerville, Waltham, Maldon, Brookline, Medford, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, Beverly, Woburn, and Braintree. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts, Essex, and Middlesex. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Packmonadnock and Peterborough, New Hampshire. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.
5 minutes late. At least they related though, so there you go.
At 10:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles west of Revere to 9 nautical miles southwest of Boston, moving east at 15 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to 40 knots. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eastern Point, Massachusetts, Boston Harbor, Beverly Harbor, Boston Buoy 44,013, Boston Light, Marblehead Neck, Broad Sound, Quincy Harbor, Situate Harbor, and Minute Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Flood watch in effect through this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Areas of
The National Weather Service in Maine has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Stratford County in central New Hampshire, Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, until 1:30 p.m. At 10:46 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2
to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard.
Flash flooding caused by heavy rain.
What is this?
Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small
The
creeks.
National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central
and low-lying areas.
County in eastern.
Alright.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
This will be a double
Gary,
header.
Portsmouth, Hampton, Durham, Exeter, Surrey, Salem, Dover, Darrington, and Epping.
Alright. Incoming double header. This is double activate?
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, south central Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Providence County in Rhode Island, until 2 p.m. At 10:47 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are
Possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact,
Sometimes it didn't go off at all.
flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Lynn, New UN, Somerville, Framingham, Waltham, Maldon, Brookline, Medford, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, Woonsocket, and Beverly.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WNG 575 listening area, a flood watch has been issued at Wednesday for the following areas in Massachusetts:
Port, Duxbury, and Mashpee. Here is the official national.
That was the very end of an SVRT.
Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, Nantucket Sound, Narragansett Bay, Rhode Island Sound, Vineyard Sound, until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing brief waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Fall River to near Gospel to near Rhode Island Sound, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazards include waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Memshibide, Head Light, Garnet Point, Manamet Point, Rocky Point, Ticket, Vineyard Sound, Buzzards Bay, Point Gammon, Hyannisport, Nantucket Sound, West Island and Buzzards Bay, Lambert Cove, Cape Cod Bay, Cuttyhook Island, Barnstable Harbor, Woods Hole, the east end of Cape Cod Canal, Round Heel Point, and Horseneck Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of Essex County through 12:15 p.m.
Okay, we're gonna have another one, and if it went for that SPS, that would have been a doubleheader.
To the report, Amesbury, Swampscott, Ipswich, Middleton, Salisbury, Georgetown, Boxford,
Let's get ready for another one.
in Rockport. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. These storms may intensify and become severe. Stay tuned to your local media for updates and possible warnings. Boston has issued a special marine warning for the coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Selwyn Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay. Ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:13 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Newburyport to near Marblehead Neck, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazards include waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Eastern Point, Massachusetts, Beverly Harbor, Mass Bay buoy 44,029, Sandy Bay, Ipswich Bay, Thatcher Island, Jeffrey's Ledge buoy 44,098, Essex Bay, Plum Island, and the mouth of the Merrimack River. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Essex, northeastern Norfolk, Suffolk, east central Middlesex, and northern Plymouth counties has expired. The storms which prompted the warning have weakened below severe limits and have exited the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been allowed to expire. Flood watch remains in effect through this evening. Flooding of rainfall continues to be possible. Areas affected include much of Rhode Island and central and eastern Massachusetts wind through this evening. Impact fall amounts of 1 to 3 inches has occurred in much of the region. Additional rainfall with thunderstorms. Other low.
Had that special weather statement not come through, that would have been a doubleheader. Alright, just noticing that I can almost guarantee you that within the next couple of minutes a tornado warning will be issued. This is in... Oh, it's in... No, it's in Plymouth County. Yep, that is right between the Plymouth, Bristol, Barnstable County corridor. I am willing to put money on it that in a couple minutes a tornado warning will be coming out. So we'll have to see what happens. I literally knew it not even 2 seconds after hitting stop record.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for western Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, east central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Mattapoisett or near Marion, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near. Mattapoisett, Rochester around 11:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm warning.
Not even 2 seconds after it stopped recording, I knew it.
Southern Plymouth and southeastern Bristol counties.
I'm gonna see if this FM relays, but we'll find out. That just came in.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for western Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, east central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Mattapoisett or near Marion, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
I think we have a tornado on the ground.
Damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Marion, Middleborough, Wareham, Acushnet, Mattapoisett, and Rochester around 11:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Variety from the 90s, 2000s, and now. It's on all day at work. It's Feel Good Radio.
There you have it.
This is Mix 1041.
That may be a debris ball right there. Ooh, yeah. We got ourselves a tornado there, I think. I'm gonna wait to see if maybe a TORC comes out in the next couple of seconds. Good, that definitely looks like a tornado to me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm no expert. Still good rotation. Look at spectrum width. The spectrum width's on the higher side. A little bit, I guess. That's definitely a tornado. I'll cut back if the TORC is issued.
and Gray, Maine has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles. Waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts from 25 to 40 nautical miles until 1 p.m. At 11:24 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Raleigh, Oregon, 9 nautical miles northwest of Beverly, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the mouth of the Merrimack River, Hampton, Portsmouth, and York. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories on sound. North 575 listening area. A flood watch remains in effect until midnight Wednesday, and now includes the following areas. Interior Rockingham and Stratford. A flood watch remains in effect until midnight Wednesday for the following areas.
Oh, that's not going off.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dukes County in southeastern Massachusetts, Barnstable County in southeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts until Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:37 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carver to near Bourne to near Falmouth to near Gosnold, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Plymouth, Barnstable, Falmouth, Brewster, Marion, Provincetown, Yarmouth, Middleborough, Wareham, Sandwich, Bourne, Dennis, Mashpee, Kingston, Harwich, Carver, Chatham, Mattapoisett, Orleans, and Rochester. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.
Haven't heard Norton use the roof siding or trees damage wording for SVRs in a long time. I'm wondering if it's just because this one is an SVRT with a storm that's already tornado warned, but look at that.
Bay, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts, out 20 nautical miles, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, Nantucket Sound, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Plymouth Light to Barnstable Harbor to near Nantucket Sound, moving east at 40 knots. Hazards include waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Hyannisport, Nantucket Sound, Cape Cod Bay, Nauset Light, Barnstable Harbor, Nantucket Shoals Buoy, Chatham Light, Breeze Point, the coastal waters east of Cape Cod, Stage Harbor Light, Wellfleet Harbor, Monomoy Point, Point Gammon, and North Eastham. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Massachusetts. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. When? From this afternoon until further notice. Impacts include at 30.0 feet. Flood waters inundate very lowest lying business parking lots off Route 114 in Lawrence and North Andover that are adjacent to the Shawshene River. At 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, the stage was 30.0 feet. Full stage 0.0 feet. Recent evening to 26.5 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will rise to 26.7 feet Thursday morning. It will then fall to 26.6 feet early Thursday afternoon. It will rise to 27.2 feet early Friday morning. It will then fall again and remain below flood stage. Flood stage is 29.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 29.9 feet on December 11th, 2014. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Cape Cod Bay. Cape Cod Bay, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellarton Bank National Marine Sanctuary. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts, out 20 Sound. Ocean waters from Provincetown to Nantucket from 20 to 35 nautical miles offshore. Ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing brief waterspouts were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles northeast of Provincetown to Nauset Lake to Orleans to near Point Gammon, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazards include waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Nantucket Sound, Chatham Light, the coastal waters east of Cape Cod, Stage Harbor Light, Wellfleet Harbor, Nauset Light, Barnstable Harbor, Monomoy Point, Nantucket Shoals Buoy, Point Gammon, and Northeastern. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and
So I feel like it's the only downside with this radio so far is that for some reason it just blasts itself to full volume after it plays the siren, which is already like enough to hear. So I don't know. I don't really like that. That's like the only downside I see with this thing so far.
The National Weather Service in Maine has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles, coastal waters from Port Clyde, Maine to Cape Elizabeth, Maine out 25 nautical miles, waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts from 25 to 40 nautical miles, waters from Port Clyde, Maine to Cape Elizabeth, Maine from 25 to 40 nautical miles until 2 p.m. At 1:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southeast of York to 7 nautical miles northeast of Jeffreys Ledge Buoy 44098, moving northeast at 30 knots.
So of course if I were on vacation I'd probably
and wind gusts
be able to see
40
some
knots.
sort of waterspout.
Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Kennebunkport and York.